Squad. What's freaking good, dude? It's freaking week 14 and we're about to go grub on some Moe's because it's Moe's Monday and it's delicious.
Oh yeah, baby, free burrito.
That's good. The reason why you didn't see this man last week was because
I was in Vegas.
let's do a quick recap.
And now for a clip of Carson in Vegas. This has been a clip from Carson in Vegas.
Brad's gonna run over my foot.
Oh, that?
Here I go, here I go.
Oh!
I can edit that, right? Yeah, I'll edit
Yeah.
that.
Oh my foot, oh no.
Hi, what can I help you?
Merry Christmas. Hello?
Hi, what can I help you? Can I help you?
No, I'm just wanted to say Merry Christmas.
And you too, thank you.
Thank you. Don't do drugs. Okay, bye.
All right, just woke up. This should be the last time you see me with braces. Yeah. All right, here we go. Do look good, do look good. 2 years in the making, I'll finally get my braces off. Hey guys, it's Jensen here, and right now, we're gonna find some Christmas lights. Let's go. Okay, so we need to get that down, but I don't know how to get that down. Here we go. Oh. Okay.
Oops.
Oh, didn't mean to do that. It's alright, we all make mistakes. Oops.
Vlog content. Okay, we come back for the dancing segment's over, lady.
Quick parkour for the bros.
Wow.
Parkour.
Ooh, get me.
Whoa. And then we need frozen broccoli. And frozen broccoli. Let's go. All right, it's a little cold, but got a jacket on. Little Tiki, sponsor me.
Look good.
Big reveal.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Dude, it's only doing like half of the first.
You're telling me we have to redo that?
Dude, just like. Okay. Oh.
See this baby right here?
Yeah.
Work. Oh my goodness! He's coming. Yo, what? Yo! Oh yeah, dude!
Later that night.
Hey guys, it's your boy Jensen here, back at it with J-Sided Pranks. Roll the intro. Turn down for weed! Small weed! Oh yeah, that's a sick intro. Alright, we're gonna prank my parents. We're gonna pretend like the lights don't work, but they actually do. Let's go. Look, it does work.
What? Are you kidding me? You've been out here for like an hour, dude.
We've been out here for like
You did it
3.
perfectly right and they don't work?
Cut your fake acting crap.
The dad won't move.
Stop doing cartwheels. Can you just stand still for once? Stop imitating my phone grill thing. Stand right here. Stop. All right, you ready? You ready? Just kidding.
Come on, we're getting our Christmas tree.
Christmas time?
Yeah.
World don't move to the beat of just one drum. What might be right for you may not be right for some. A man is born, he's a man of means. Then along come two, they got no
I mean, that's cool and all. Does our house have a car that goes like this? I don't think so.
Hey boys. It's your girl.